What's up, my fellow YouTubers? BMR1130, and I'm here to do a vlog. Boy, it's been a while since we've done a vlog. Don't mind the fire alarm. Anyways, I'm gonna use to fix that fire alarm. Anyways, this is Canoe Creek. Here we have Auntie Annie's. No. Here we have Auntie Anne's. One of my favorites. Here we got Wendy's, Dunkin' Donuts, and we got some. And Italian Kitchen. And this is a short vlog I'll be doing because I don't want my entire family running late. Oh, you have a kids area. And alongside with charge station in the bathroom. Well, this has been a short vlog. Sorry, it's been short, but don't worry, we'll do it again someday. Alright? Let's try turkey leg for Biggie's Not So Scary Halloween next month. Peace out.